Hi guys, welcome to Mom's Secret Chef by Agarwal. Today we'll make spinach soup. So to make this soup, firstly I am adding here 3 cups of water. Let the water boil on high flame, then add 1 cup of freshly prepared vegetable stock. This I have freshly prepared at home by boiling the vegetables. It gives a very nice taste to the soup. Now to it I am adding 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of salt. After a mix, now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Cover it with lid and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and add chopped spinach in it. Mix well and add 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper to it. Now give it a nice mix and let it boil for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and your soup is ready to serve. Remember to serve the soup immediately after adding the spinach. Thanks for watching Mom's Secret Chef by Agarwal. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.